Myself, Venkatesh. I am an associate professor in supply chain and logistics with EM Normandie Business School. I have joined with the school in 2019, and before that I was working in the industry, and I have my PhD from Waikato Management School in New Zealand. Social sustainability is all about what type of impact the businesses creates on the society. It is one of the strongest pillars of the three dimensions of the sustainability, such as economics, as well as environmental and social sustainability. So these are the three pillars. So in social sustainability, we focus on what type of impact the businesses create on the society, such as labor welfare, safety, and also how you are giving the equity to the employee, what kind of rights you are giving to the employees. Social dimension is not taken care of in the supply chain. Definitely that the product is not going to be well received by the certain markets, and it gives the feeling that the product is getting manufactured in an exploited labor environment. So obviously the brand is going to have a big hit, and the brand value is going to have because of that, the consumers will not buy the goods, will not prefer the goods. So every brand wants to show up their products are manufactured in a condition where complete norms are being, social norms have been practiced. So every brand has its own social norms to be followed in their operations. They advise their manufacturers to comply those norms for the manufacturing. India is traditionally an apparel manufacturing hub. It is one of the leading hubs in the world. Right now, Indian market is dominated by both small and large scale manufacturers. But the large scale manufacturers are very comfortable to meet out the demands. The small players are unable to meet out the demands. Basically, the brands will give you certain conditions to comply with, but the small players, they are unable to comply those requirements because of the business interest, and there are many reasons for it, including their priorities into the cost, as well as their awareness towards what kind of impact it would create in the market kind of thing. So slowly that awareness is building up in the among the Indian manufacturers, but definitely we are far better than previous decade, I would say that. And in our research also we found out that what are the major reasons for these players to go away or to non-compliant towards the social norms demanded by the apparel companies. So we have found out that reasons as well.